Cups on the table, steam tracing little ghosts. You laugh at your own joke. I'm already too close.
Lit trains on the timetable, we let them come and go.
You say you should be leaving, but your body tells me no. Stay with me, just miss one more morning. Hold the night till the daylight's gone astray. Stay with me, heart's pacing, thoughts slowing. If we lose the words, let the silence make us stay.
Your coat on the handle, shoes kicked against the wall. You're scrolling through excuses that you'll never use at all.
You say you hate the distance
Between your head and heart,
but every time you whisper, you pull me where you are. Come closer, stay with me, just miss one more morning. Hold the night till the daylight's gone astray. Stay with me, hearts pacing, thoughts slowing. If we lose the words, let the silence make us stay. What if we're wrong?
then we'll be wrong together.
What if it fades?
Then let it fade much later.
Right now is ours. Right now feels made to be. So if you have to go, leave your shadow here.